everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to automate lead assignment in Odoo 19 CRM module. So automating lead assignment help your business to distribute incoming leads automatically to the right salesperson or a right sales team. So this ensures that leads are handled quickly and efficiently without manual work. So this is a good feature that you can enable under the CRM module. So let's see how we can simply do that. For that, let's head over to the CRM module first. And once you open the CRM module, you can see the CRM pipeline where all leads and opportunities are managed. To automate the lead assignment, we need to configure a particular option under the configuration settings. So let's head over to there. So once you are there, you can see the CRM section. Under that, there you can see basically a rule-based assignment is there. So this can be used to automatically assign leads to a salesperson based on a rule. So this is that option. You can automate the lead assignment. So you can simply enable this option. So you can periodically assign the leads based on the priorities and filters as well. Now you can say it's running manually and as well as repeatedly. Okay. So here in this way, you can see it is manually, which means if you are setting any rule under the particular sales team and it is assigning to a salesperson, after completing that after satisfying that particular rule, that a lead will be moving or that lead will be signing to the corresponding employee or a salesperson that we are just provided under our sales team. Okay. If you're putting this as repeated way, you can simply provide that, and you need to provide the repeated how many repeats are there. If there is repeat as 1, you can provide it as minutes, hours and days and weeks. If you're providing it as minutes, now you can see the next run should be see here, which means March 6 to 50 p.m. It will be done by the next run as well. So here I'm just providing it as manual way. Let me show you how you can simply do that. Let's hit the save button itself. Let it load and let's head over to the configuration. Under there we have our sales team. So here I'm just choosing a sales team. So there we have a sales team. So now you can see the sales team's name, and there we have the team leaders and team and everything. And under the assignment rule, now you can see 27 leads assigned this month on maximum of 30s. Okay. So there we have already set up 2 domains. So basically why we are using this domain, additional filter domain when fetching an assigned lead to allocate to the team member. So you can simply provide a rule which under the domain you can set up them, and that particular domain will be there under your leads, and if it's satisfied, that will be assigning to the member that you are just assigned here, which is Michelle admin. There you can see there is 2 domains, which is if an email is set to a lead, it should be assigned to Michelle admin, and there we have active is equal to true or false as well. Okay. So now let's head over to the sales. Under the sales pipeline, here I'm going to create a new lead. So let me just create a new lead with a person's name. So let me give this as Tessa. Okay. Tessa, and you can simply create this as Tessa's opportunities. Now you can say it. And under there you can simply provide the revenue from Tessa as well. So let me provide this as $2,500. Once I'm done with there, here I'm going to give a priority as well. Now let's head over to the edit session. Under there you can see it is Tessa's opportunity. Expected revenue is 2,500. And we didn't even get the email and phone number of Tessa. And there you can see it is defaultly setting the particular lead is assigned to defaultly Michelle admin by Odoo. We can simply remove this from here itself. So here I'm just removed. Now you can say it, and I can simply provide the email address of Tessa. So let me provide the Tessa's email address. So here I'm just provided Tessa's email, and once I'm done with that, now you can simply save this. So after saving it, now you can see the salesperson is not yet ready, and I'm just putting this as qualified stage. Still, this is not assigned to the Michelle admin. So let's head over to the configuration. Under there we have our settings. Okay. So under the settings, there you can see we need to run that particular option. All right, here we have our rule-based assignment, and we can simply run this manually. So once you are running this, there you can see a pop-up message, lead is assigned There you can see each and every kind of things. And now let's move to the my pipelines. And under there, let me remove this filter from here itself. And there you can see Tessa's opportunity. And ta-da, it's assigned to Michelle admin. Okay. Because of why we had just run that manually. And you can similarly run this as repeatedly as well, because if you're setting up this as repeated way in every minutes or in every day, it should be repeating automatically. Okay, or you can simply run from there itself as well. So that's how simply you can automate your lead assignment using the option rule-based assignment in Odoo 19 CRM module. I hope you all understood this video. So you can simply enable this option and you can ease your works and you can assign this to your salesperson or a sales team very well. So that's all about this video. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye-bye.